Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right. Apparently, what I'm supposed to be calling is Ozell Hyman. Case number is 25 FB 1007, 25 FB 1036, 25 FB 102.
Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Ozell Hyman. Ozell, can you state your name for the judge, please?
Oh, I'm Ozell Hyman.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we're here for pretrials and bond violations in these cases.
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct. I believe the case number ending in 036, should that be a sentencing?
It would have been a sentencing had he actually been interviewed. And followed through initially, but that hasn't happened. 1 second. I'm gonna have too many files here. One moment. I think I did not cover 1088. So we have two pretrials and
Is it connected with all of them?
no, yeah, wait, 1 second.
That's Hines.
1 second. No, it's Lucas Mitchell.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
I don't know.
All right. So it seems to me that he was supposed to be here for a sentencing on a 1036, but that can't happen because he wasn't interviewed because he at one point appeared before the magistrate on April 29th when he was let's see. So on March 24th, what happened is that he posted a $50,000 cash surety bond, but then immediately cut his tether slightly and refused to test. Those are the allegations. Sir, I'm not you to speak. So that's the first thing that we've got to deal with is that bond violation.
Okay, Your Honor. Understood. Your Honor, would the court entertain adjourning the bond violation?
I will, but I'm not changing his bond.
Okay. Your Honor, because the pretrial we would like to set for final settlement conference, and if we could adjourn the bond violation to that final settlement conference date.
Sure, if that's what you want to do.
Okay.
That puts him out to June 27th.
I see. And you will not entertain a bond argument?
No, he cut his tether. We can have a bond hearing or, sir.
Can I speak to the lawyer?
Yes, you can speak to the lawyer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll put you in a breakout room with your lawyer. The court will recall the Hyman matters. Case number is 25 FB 1007.
Tiffany works for the people.
Matthew Mansour on behalf of Mr. Hyman. Ozell, can you state your name when you're unmuted one more time, please?
Oh, Ozell Hyman.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor, thank you for that opportunity. After speaking with Mr. Hyman, additionally, Your Honor, we would like to set the bond violation for a hearing. And if you would, please entertain a bond argument for Mr. Hyman.
You can make your argument.
Thanks, Your Honor. Your Honor, the thing is, with Mr. Hyman, we're going to challenge the allegations. And we have valid reasons to challenge the allegations. Your Honor, if it does go a long way that when he was alerted of these violations, these alleged violations, he did voluntarily go to community corrections right when he was notified of this issue. He did turn himself in right when he was notified that he had a bench warrant as well. He's been in touch with Ms. Moeller every step of the way. Your Honor, we're just asking the bond set on this one is fairly high. We're just
Yeah.
asking, yes, Your Honor, but I'm hopeful that after the hearing, everything gets cleared up. But Your Honor, we're just asking for the conditions to go back to the way it was. If there's violations, if there's and there's a bench warrant and somebody is actively trying to address it and going to community corrections to deal with it, that shows exactly what type of flight risk or danger Mr. Hyman is not, Your Honor. So he's he's he lives outside of Washtenaw County. I believe that was the condition set in the past. We are more than willing to go back on those conditions. He has a 75-year-old father at home that he cares for and takes care of. You know, we're just asking for this one chance to go back to the conditions. We'll set it for the hearing. We'll present our case, and then we'll proceed with final settlement conference. Please, Your Honor.
Ms. Woods?
Judge, we're talking about a defendant that missed numerous tests, and tampered with it, but tether. I mean, I saw the cut marks on the tether where he had tried to cut it off. So I think if he's not going to admit to that violation, then we should have a hearing on it. I don't think that he should be released at this point. I think if he was to be released, that he would abscond from a supervision. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. I feel like we're all living in different realities here. We have a bond violation report that says that they received a strap tamper alert from Mr. Hyman. They cleared it and it came right back, meaning that they tried to take it out, but it came right back because there was actually a tamper. They attempted to contact him at both numbers with no success. He was located at the address there in Inkster. They coordinated with the Washtenaw County Dispatch and the Inkster Police Department. And then they said that the tether appeared intact, but then they sent a photo of it to get a visual. And the officers wouldn't do that. They asked if it was on his leg. They said if it was on his leg, they didn't see how it could be a violation. They also advised that it was dead, so he let it go dead, to which JSG informed them that there's no way they could visually know that. So once again, they requested photos. Inkster refused. The officers asked if he needed to be taken in custody if the device looked fine and was on his leg. They said that they wanted to speak with the supervisor. After confirming with the supervisor, they sent a lien message through Washtenaw County requesting that he be taken into custody for the violation. They thought that was being done, but it was not being done. So he wasn't taken into custody. And then they said they wouldn't assist with that anymore. So they had to do a welfare check on the victim because of all of this that was going on. Then they, on March 23rd, which was the next day, they inspected it. He went there and they inspected it, and the portion of the tether was in fact cut. And he didn't know that that cut was there, and it must have broken from being in the cold. Which I know and they know it's not even a possibility. And then we have photos that shows that it has been cut.
Your Honor, may I?
No, Mr. Hyman, not right now, please.
He was scheduled to drug test 5 times a month here at outside of Washtenaw County, and he failed to show up at all of those drug testings. I feel like we're on, and then wait, but one more thing. Then he appeared before the magistrate on April 9th via Zoom, and he was told that he needed to turn himself in. He said he's not going to jail. and then turned off his Zoom.
I never said that. That was not me.
That everybody lies, but you. I get it.
I never talked to anybody April 9th. I
Oh.
never did that, man.
The 29th, first of all.
The 29th, I never said, ma'am, I
Okay,
can't.
okay, yes, sir. I
Yeah.
hear. Bond will continue as is.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Woods, can you have close. Can you find out whether you can have the witnesses here on May 27th? Are we here on May 27th?
We're not.
We're not. Where are we at?
We have PEs with a in-person bench.
Okay.
Or
So we don't have Ps today? I mean, tomorrow? Okay. Okay. Right, that day won't work. And the 26th is a holiday.
Mhm. Mhm.
Mhm. So this just requires community corrections. And Ms. Woods, can you reach out and see if, what does this Thursday look like? Yes, ma'am. Mhm. Can you find out if we can have someone here from JSG on Thursday?
Yes, Judge, I will, let me send a message right now.
All right, I'm gonna pass this so we can see if we can get witnesses for Thursday. Yes. You said who? Now? Oh, John, okay. John Hayes. Okay. I don't think he's gonna be available. He may be at a conference. Well, I'll let him tell us
Right,
that.
Judge, they're all out that week. I just remembered that, you're right.
Yeah. And we'll put it on May 29th. Wait, what?
Thursday, May 29th.
Okay, we'll put it on Thursday, May 29th at 11 o'clock. We'll see you then, sir, on May 29th at 11 o'clock a.m.
Okay, what's that for?
That's the hearing, Mr. Hyman. We're gonna have the hearing on the bond violation for the tether.
Okay, what, now I have evidence that someone else cut my tether, so how does that?
Yes, that's what we're gonna present at the hearing.
Okay, but I have evidence at my house, like, I don't know how that works, because I did not cut my tether, like, my sister. You know what
Mr.
I'm saying?
Hyman, we'll correlate that. We'll go get it as best
Okay.
as we can. We gotta
Okay,
come see you before the
Record, he told them that it happened because it was cold. Now he's claiming someone else cut it.
I don't
Okay.
know what was going on. I had no idea it was even cut. When I went there immediately.
That's okay, Mr. Hyman. This isn't the hearing now. This is a moot point. It's not doesn't matter right now. We have to wait till the hearing.
On just continue.
Thank you.